Hello everyone! Welcome to Easy Drawing and Painting channel. Today we are going to draw and color Mommy and her baby. Let's start drawing. I'm going to draw a mom. Her eyes, her nose, her mouth, and her face. Then I draw her hair. Draw her arms, like this. She wears a nice dress. Finally, I draw her legs. I draw a pretty baby. I draw her eyes and her smiling mouth. Draw her head.
The mouse ran down. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
Now I draw a beautiful stroll.
Hickory-dickory-dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck 2. Away she flew. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
I draw the heart here.
Hickory-dickory-dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran out the door. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her hive. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
It's so beautiful.
Hickory-dickory-dock.
Now, let's start coloring.
The clock struck 6. Oh, fiddle-six.
Brown color.
Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock.
Yellow color. Pink color. Blue color.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on
Purple
the bus
color.
go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus.
Pink color.
The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish.
Red color.
Swish, swish, the
Orange color.
bus go swish, swish, swish.
Yellow color.
All through the
Blue
town.
color, green color, red color, orange color,
Wheels on the bus.
blue color,
Yeah!
pink color, green color,
The wheels on the bus. Yeah! Bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you the next video.